May we remind you that this is a non-smoking flight. Smoking is forbidden anywhere on the aircraft, including the toilets and in the aisles. Smoking in the toilets will trigger an alarm and may result in a fine. Thank you for your cooperation.
Tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, izinkan kami mengingatkan anda bahawa merokok adalah dilarang sama sekali di dalam penerbangan ini, termasuk tandas dan juga lorong tengah pesawat. Merokok di dalam tandas akan menyebabkan penggera kebakaran berbunyi dan anda boleh didakwa. Terima kasih di atas kerjasama anda.
女士们、先生们，我们需要提醒您，本次班机是非吸烟航班，吸烟在机舱的任何地方，包括洗手间或过道，都是禁止的。在洗手间里吸烟会触发警报器，并且会导致罚款。谢谢您的合作。
Assisted by Senior First Officer Hugh and I'm your Senior Cabin Crew Terry. Together with me in the cabin, Mona, Amir and Wan. Our flight to Miri will take 2 hours and 5 minutes. For your safety, your hand luggage must be placed in overhead compartments under the seats in front of you. Put your seat upright, fasten your seat belt, secure your tray table to its original position and keep your window shades fully open. Please switch off all portable electronic devices now, as it will interfere with the aircraft system. The usage of mobile phone is not allowed during takeoff, landing and texting until the fastened seat belt sign is off, and smoking is not permitted on all Airasia flights. Thank you.
Safety is our concern, and the safety features may differ from other aircraft. We ask for your full attention to the cabin crew in front of you. This is your seat belt. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and tighten the belt by pulling on the buckle strap. To unfasten, lift the metal flap. Whenever the seat supports you, place the mask over your nose and mouth with the headband tightly around your head and breathe normally. Place your own mask first.
we have just landed at Miri Airport. For your safety, please remain seated until this aircraft has come to its complete stop, and the usage of mobile phone is not allowed to the fasten seatbelt sign is off. To be careful when opening the overhead compartments, before leaving the aircraft, please check that you have all your hand luggage together with you. It was a pleasure having you on board, and we hope to see you again soon. If you need any assistance upon arrival, please contact our ground staff. On behalf of Captain Christopher, Senior First Officer Hugh, and the rest of the crew members on duty, I'd like to thank you for choosing Airasia to your destination and pleasant stay in Miri. Perempuan, kita baru saja mendarat di lapangan terbang Miri. Untuk keselamatan Anda diminta terus berada di tempat duduk sehingga kapal ini berhenti dengan sepenuhnya, dan penggunaan telefon bimbit tidak dibenarkan sehingga tanda isyarat pasangkan tali kledar dipadamkan. Berhati-hati ketika membuka ruangan penyimpanan di atas. Sebelum meninggalkan pesawat, sila pastikan semua barangan Anda telah pun dibawa bersama. Bagi pihak Kapten Christopher, bantu juruterbang Hugh serta kapal yang bertugas, kami ucapkan terima kasih kerana kami terbang bersama Airasia ke destinasi Anda. Salam hormat dan jumpa lagi. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, as a safety reminder, please kindly ensure that your mobile phone still remains off and you may only use it once the fasten seatbelt sign is off. We thank you for your kind cooperation. Perempuan, sekali lagi untuk keselamatan kita bersama, sila pastikan telefon bimbit Anda masih lagi dipadamkan. Anda hanya boleh menggunakannya hanya selepas tanda isyarat pasangkan tali kledar dipadamkan. Terima kasih.